many times you are not able to import a media file onto Davinci Resolve. In this video, I will tell you how to crack this problem. For now, let's create a sample project. Let's try to import a file into the media pool. As you can see, it is not accepting the files. This is because the files we are trying to import are MKV format. To convert this into MP4, I usually use a software called Handbrake. You can just drag your desired file into the box and start encoding. It will take some time and encode it. As you can see, the file is converted into MP4. Now you can easily import the files and start editing.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting no licks in the band.